Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Bagotte S6 Pro robot vacuum. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, online ratings, and user feedback, and I'm going to break down whether this robot vacuum is actually worth buying or not. Check out the link below for the best price. What makes the Bagotte S6 Pro robot vacuum stand out for the price is its combination of powerful suction, intelligent LiDAR navigation, and a self-emptying station that keeps maintenance to a minimum. It's designed for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants consistently clean floors without spending time vacuuming every day. One of the biggest highlights is the impressive 6,000 pascals suction power. With 4 adjustable suction levels, the robot easily picks up pet hair, dust, crumbs, dirt, and fine debris from both hard floors and carpets. When it detects carpet, the automatic carpet boost feature instantly increases suction power, giving deeper cleaning without requiring any manual adjustments. Navigation is another area where the S6 Pro performs exceptionally well. Instead of randomly moving around the house, its advanced LiDAR navigation system creates accurate maps and plans efficient cleaning routes. This allows the robot to clean room by room with fewer missed spots while avoiding unnecessary repeated passes. According to reviews and user discussions, users consistently praise the precise mapping and reliable navigation, especially in larger homes. The smart mapping system also gives you plenty of customization. Through the companion app, you can create no-go zones, schedule cleaning sessions, select individual rooms, and customize cleaning preferences for different parts of your home. If you have pet feeding areas, children's play spaces, or delicate rugs, it's easy to tell the robot exactly where to clean and where to stay away. Another major advantage is the vacuum and mop combination. You can choose vacuum-only mode for carpets, mop-only mode for sealed hard floors, or run both functions together during a single cleaning session. 3 adjustable water flow levels help prevent excessive moisture on hardwood while providing enough water to effectively clean tile, laminate, and vinyl flooring. Daily maintenance is where this robot vacuum really saves time. After every cleaning session, it automatically returns to the self-emptying station, where dust, pet hair, and debris are transferred into a large 3-liter dust bag. That allows most households to go up to 90 days without manually emptying the dustbin, making it especially convenient for busy families and pet owners. Smart controls add even more convenience. Using the mobile app, you can start or stop cleaning, schedule automatic cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, control water flow, and select specific rooms to clean. Alexa voice control also allows hand-free operation, making it easy to begin a cleaning session with a simple voice command. The overall design is well suited for modern homes with mixed flooring. It transitions smoothly between hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and low-pile carpets, while built-in anti-collision and anti-fall sensors help it safely navigate around furniture and avoid stairs. The automatic docking feature also ensures it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. Bagotte also backs the S6 Pro with 2 years of customer support, giving buyers additional confidence for setup, maintenance, and long-term ownership. Many users mention that the combination of strong cleaning performance and low maintenance makes it an excellent upgrade from basic robot vacuums that require constant attention. The only trade-off worth mentioning is that the advanced smart features, including mapping, scheduling, and room customization, require a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection through the companion app. However, once configured, most users find the system very easy to manage and highly reliable. If you're looking for powerful suction, accurate LiDAR navigation, automatic self-emptying, and the convenience of both vacuuming and mopping in one device, the Bagotte S6 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo is an easy recommendation. It delivers premium cleaning features, smart automation, and outstanding convenience at a price that offers excellent overall value. Check out the link below for the latest deals and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews coming soon.